All right, y'all. I hope you can see this. Okay. This is my first YouTube video. I'm feeling a little crazy about this. I hope you can see the board. I need a round of approval because this was painful. But I wanted to go over some things that we're going to talk about this week with our story, The Art Project, and The Woodcutter's Gift. Okay. The first thing we're going to talk about is the genre. The genre is fiction. We have talked about this before. Okay. The characteristics are it tells a story about imaginary characters and events. It includes a problem and a solution. And it often includes dialogue. Dialogue that is talking between people, using quotation marks. Okay. One of the things that we talked about a little bit before we left school were homophones. Okay. Homophones are words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. For example, blue, B-L-U-E, and blue, B-L-E-W. They sound exactly the same, but they're spelled different and they have different meanings. First one means the color. Second one means like you blew something or the wind blew. Meet and meet. Meet, M-E-E-T, and meet, M-E-A-T. Meet, the first one means like you meet somebody, okay? The second one is the stuff that you eat, okay? There's two, and two, okay? So there could be three homophones, okay? Two, this is the preposition, okay? T-W-O is the number. And T-O-O, we talked about, means also. No and no. N-O means you're not going to do something or you're giving an answer to a question. K-N-O-W means like you know something, knowledge in your head. And then there, and there. Okay? This first one means like over there, the place. T-H-E-I-R means it belongs to them. It's a possessive pronoun. And T-H-E-Y'-R-E is the contraction for they are. They all mean different things, okay? So on your unit worksheets this week, you're going to be asked about homophones, okay? You're also going to be asked about possessive pronouns. We've talked about possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that show ownership. Remember, pronouns take the place of a noun or a group of nouns. Examples are his, her, their, your, my, and our. Okay, so you're going to be asked on your unit worksheet about possessive pronouns. This week we're also talking about vowel teams. Okay, vowel teams are when two vowels stick together to make one sound. Okay, house is an example. The vowel team is O-U, makes one sound, ow. Okay, and then we're talking about this week in spelling the short O sound, the aw sound, but it's not spelled with an O. It's spelled with an A, A-W, A-U, A-U-G-H, A-L, or O-U-G-H, okay? So you might be asked on your unit worksheets about finding the aw sound. You will be asked about vowel teams. Be thinking on your unit worksheets. Be careful, be neat, okay? This week also in the art project and the woodcutter's gift, we're going to be talking about problem and solution. Most fiction stories have some sort of problem and a solution at the end as to how they fixed or remedied that problem. In between the problem and the solution, there are steps that the characters may take to solve that problem. The solving of the problem usually comes at the end of the story, but in between, there are steps that the characters take maybe to help solve that problem. So some of your work is going to be talking about problem and solution, okay? If you need to, this video is going to be on YouTube, so if you can't remember what I said, or you need to come back and look at the chart, okay, it will be there for you. All right, this week, the genre is fiction. We've talked about possessive pronouns, homophones, vowel teams, and the short O spelled these different ways. Also, we've talked about problem and solution. All fiction stories have some sort of problem, and then at the end, there is some sort of solution to that problem. Okay, so be careful, be taking your time. I miss you guys. It's really hard for me to stand here and talk into my phone, and I look around and you're not sitting in your seats, and that's really hard for me. I miss you a lot. I hope you're working hard, okay? And I will tell you when I put up another video. Usually it'll be about stuff that we're talking about. We're going to be starting a new unit in science. We're going to be having a language test coming up. Learning new skills in math. So I'll put them on the Remind and the webpage, and then you can click on it and you can see me. I miss you guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.